Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all have enjoyed your vacations. This is your first class after summer vacation. I, Kiran Jha, I will teach you English reader and practice both. So let's start our new chapter whose name is A Spark in the Dark. A spark in the dark. These are the new words given from this chapter: alone, dead, gem, away, near, drops. So start. First line is far away, near the park, there is a big house. House means the place where we live in. Means the big house was very far from the park. Far away near the park there is a big house. Next line is a smart girl lives in that house. In that house a smart girl was living. Her name is Sarika. Sarika was living in this house. One night, Sarika is alone in the house. In that house, at that time, Sarika was living alone. It is very dark. There is not even no star in the sky. In that night, no star was looking. It was so dark. Sarika is sitting in the park. Her mom and dad have gone to a party. Sarika's parents were gone in the party. She hears a hiss in the dark. Sarika heard the sound of a snake. Sound of a snake is called hiss. So Sarika heard the hiss sound in that dark. It is a big black snake with a mark on its head. Sarika saw a snake with a mark on its head, on the snake head. Sarika starts calling for help. Sarika was very frightened. Sarika got scared and she starts calling for help. Some men passing that way stop the car and kill the snake. Some men were passing from that way and they stopped the car and killed that snake. The dead snake is left in the dark park. The snake died and it was left in the park. After some time, an owl is flying by. After some time, an owl was passing from the sky. It has a gem in its beak. A gem was in the beak of an owl. And you all are very known about it that an owl eats a snake, isn't it? Next line is it sees the snake. An owl sees the snake. The owl drops the gem and takes the snake in its beak and flies away. The owl drops the gem from its beak and takes the dead snake in its beak and flies away. Sarika sees a spark in the dark. Meaning of a spark means spark. You all have seen in the spark in the electric wire or in the transformer on the road. So Sarika sees a spark in the dark. She goes near the spark. She finds the gem. She picks it up. Sarika finds the gem in the park. She picked up. It has a spark. It means it was shining brightly. The gem was shining brightly. Gem means what? Gem is a precious stone. It is very precious and it is a precious stone. When her mom and dad came back, she shows them the gem. When the parent of Sarika came to the house, Sarika saw that gem to their parent. Mom and dad know that it is the queen's gem. Sarika's parent known that it was queen's gem because it was very precious. In the morning, they take the gem to the queen. Sarika's parent take the gem to the queen. The queen is very happy. The queen got the gem and she was very happy. She gives a big toy shark to Sarika. The queen gave a big toy shark. It is given in the picture to Sarika. Sarika is also happy. She plays with the shark. Now queen is also very happy to get the gem and Sarika is also happy because she got a big toy shark. So you all have understood this chapter. Your assignment is that you all will read this chapter clearly 2 times and write hard words in the copy. Okay, goodbye.